Mastering possessive determiners and pronouns in English. Hello, language learners. Today, we'll be diving into the world of possessive determiners and possessive pronouns in English. These are key components of the language that help us express ownership or belonging. By the end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of these grammatical tools and know how to use them correctly. Let's start by defining these terms. Possessive determiners are words that precede a noun and indicate to whom that noun belongs. Examples of possessive determiners include my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. On the other hand, possessive pronouns are used to replace a noun phrase and show ownership. They include mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. So, if we take an example sentence, "This is my book," my is a possessive determiner. If we want to use a possessive pronoun, we could say, "The book is mine." Let's do a quick exercise. Here's a sentence. It's his car, not our car. Can you spot the possessive determiners? Yes, you got it. His and our are the possessive determiners in this sentence. They directly precede and modify the noun, car, indicating to whom the car belongs. Now, let's focus on possessive pronouns. Consider this sentence. The car is his, not ours. Again, can you identify the possessive pronouns? Excellent! His and ours are the possessive pronouns in this sentence. They replace the noun, car, and still indicate the ownership of the car. Let's put what we've learned into practice. I'll give you sentences, and you'll have to identify whether the bold word is a possessive determiner or a possessive pronoun. 1. That's my dog. 2. The dog is mine. 3. It's your turn now. 4. The turn is yours. The answers are 1. Possessive determiner. 2. Possessive pronoun. 3. Possessive determiner. 4. Possessive pronoun. How did you do? Remember, the more you practice, the better you get. And that wraps up our lesson on possessive determiners and pronouns. Remember, possessive determiners precede the noun, while possessive pronouns replace the noun. It's a small distinction, but one that's essential in English grammar. I hope this video helps you feel more confident in identifying and using these elements. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next lesson.